What is up, YouTube? Today I'll be not really going over the class 3 here, but I will be going over stuff I can now print. Now I do need to fix some things on it, as you can see, but I have been starting to print. This is an interior for a RC4 drive Mojave cab. I've been messing around with it. If you're on the G-Speed page, you know that I am selling my Class 1, and that is to fund a different project I have in mind. Now, I am selling this with my Class 1, but I do have another project I've been putting 3D printed parts on, and that is my spare chassis. Now, I do have a front and rear cross brace on, acting as a bumper. Now, I do have a 3D printed skid plate here that I may change once I get it threaded and tapped and put this on, or I may print a new one. But other than that, I've been trying to print around, test and print stuff, see what works, what doesn't work. Now, I have been printing a few things like you've seen, but that is about all I printed so far. Let me change up the view and I'll show you my printer. What is up, YouTube? Here is my printer. Now, as you can see, it is a Creality Ender 3. I am new to this. Sorry if I do anything. I did leave it stock for now, or what comes in the package. I will be doing some upgrades on it here soon. I will be ordering them soon, and if I do that here soon, you guys will see when I get it. Just trying to mix some stuff up here. Now, if I turn it on, adjust it, you can see screen lights up. Now, I do have this printer over here. It is a Easy 3D printer. I don't really know much about it. It's not as big as this Ender 3, but I might show some time lapses here soon, printing stuff for a different build I may have in mind or something else. But let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you later.